Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolve. 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 Absolve is a verb used to describe the action of formally or officially forgiving someone for their sins, wrongdoings, or guilt. It is often associated with religious or moral contexts, but can also be used more broadly to indicate forgiveness or exoneration. Here are some examples. Example number 1. He worked hard to change his life and sought to absolve himself of the mistakes of his past. Why absolve use in example number 1? Absolve is used to describe the individual's desire to seek forgiveness and redemption. Example number 2. The court's decision to absolve the defendant of all charges surprised many, as the evidence seemed strong. Why absolve use in example number 2? Absolve is mentioned here to describe the legal act of clearing the defendant of charges. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.